Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We got an OC&T's grain hopper train. Let's check it out, roll it, because I just seen coming right now. So I just see other wheels be behind the power. This is our 8th video today. 8th video. Excuse me. Oh, this is very short in this one. Very short, heading to track 2. Wow. I had 3 hoppers heading to track 2. Now there's 2 here. They're gonna have to fix that 2 letters in that Titusville word on the engine, because the letter's been cutting off early 22 and 23 when I put them on there and then Tommy Lee Patterson and former conductor Jack Crick took over for doing that. Huh? There goes the OC&T engine. This is the 42M, right? Yes, this is the OC&T's 42M at the freight yard, all on this Thursday, January 25th, 2024, from the Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Yeah. Just want to make sure. We haven't done any of that grain hopper work in quite a while here. We didn't get much trains on Tuesday, and then today we're getting better here. I'll look on the other phone here in a minute. There's let's see if see if they got them transport. Not yet. Nope, not yet. I still got that CP train we got from my other worker. Though. And it was also my last CSX train of the year. Popped up right now, so. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. We're hoping it's the light powered train. Talk to you later.